Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be telling you guys gadgets you need as a YouTuber or as a content creator, and I will also be giving you lists of vendors where I get my gadgets from, and also be showing you the gadgets that I got from these vendors. So if you're interested in seeing this video, kindly stay tuned, and without further ado, let's get right into this video. So first of all, there are gadgets that are really important that you need to get before even starting your content creation or before you even start YouTube, while there are some that you need to get as you grow. So the first thing you need as a content creator is your camera or your filming equipment. You need either a phone or a camera. So I use a phone to film. I use Samsung Note 9 to film. You can use any phone of your choice as far as it gives you the quality you're looking for. If you get a camera, fine. While using your phone, it is so important for you to get an SD card or a memory card. Most phones basically have shortage of space when it comes to filming because videos takes a lot of space. So it's very important for you to get a memory card, an SD card. If you can get a hard disk, fine, but get at least some kind of backup that can help you when you run out of space on your phone, not basically deleting. The next thing you need to get is your tripod. Now there are two kinds of tripod stands, a mini tripod and the big tripod. Now a mini tripod looks like this. This is my mini tripod, and it comes in different ways, but this is my own and this is how it is. Now this mini tripod is basically for vlogging. If you want to go around, because it's very portable, so if you want to move around with your camera, you just fix it here and then you move around with it and vlog, and make sure it is stable, because it helps you to be stable, because if you're using your hand might be shaking, so you need a tripod to hold it put. Now for the bigger tripod, the difference is just that it's bigger and it's taller, so you can put your phone and you can put it in any height that you want or direct it in any way you want it to be. That's just the difference. So I got mine from O Double Colors, and this tripod is really strong and it's really tall. This tripod is 5 feet 5 inches, I kid you not, and it's for a very good price. So I'll be leaving Instagram handles of these vendors in the description box below, so you do check it out. Thank you. Now the next thing you need to get is a ring light. Now a ring light is not very important, especially when you film during the day, because you get your lighting from the sun. But if you want to film at any time of the day, you need a ring light, because sometimes you film at night, the ring light will help you. Okay, so I got my ring light from Austin 7070, and it has been working for me, and I made a video about it, and I'll leave the video up here and also in the description box below. The next gadget you need is a microphone. A microphone is very important. Now you might be filming in a place where it's noisy. A microphone will just help you focus more on your voice and conceal the noise from the environment. So currently I use Lapel Mic, and I would show you what it sounds like without the mic. I'm currently not using the mic, and you can notice that it sounds very different. I got my Lapel Mic from Folake Ayakoni on Instagram, and I will leave it also in the description box below. Another gadget that you need is a backdrop. A backdrop is important and also not very important. I personally don't have a backdrop because I use different backgrounds in my house for my YouTube videos. Now you might choose to get a backdrop, you might use wallpapers, you might just get the stand and put a cloth on it. You can just do you, okay? But it's not as important as the phone. Gadgets and content work hand in hand. As your content is good, your gadget should be good too. It's important for you to step up while you get the followers and get the subscribers, to improve your quality and to keep them glued to your channel. So if you have watched up to this point and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please do subscribe by hitting the red subscribe button below, and also the notification bell just beside the subscribe button, so that you can get notified whenever I post a new video. So if I forgot to add some things in this video that you think that are necessary for a YouTuber or a content creator, kindly leave it in the comment section, and also give this video a huge thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you in my next video.